Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cranberry and orange shortbread. Let's begin. To start on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a food processor and directly into it add in your flour and your butter and just pulse the two together until they are combined. You will notice that the flour goes a more yellowy looking colour, and that's completely normal. You can then go ahead and add in your granulated sugar, followed by the orange zest, and then your finely chopped dried cranberries. You will then want to pulse everything together until it's fully combined and a dough starts to form, but be careful not to overmix it at this stage, otherwise it won't be short and the biscuits will be overworked. So once you see a dough starting to form, place it onto your floured work surface and then just bring it together using your hand with as minimal movement as possible, as you don't want to get overworked at this stage. You can then bring the dough back into a sausage shape, which should be around 5.5 to 6 inches in length, as you'll want to get around 12 decently sized biscuits from it. Bring it into the sausage shape, then place into some cling film and wrap it up and place it in the fridge for around an hour just to firm up. Once the dough has had around about an hour in the fridge, you'll notice it's firmed up quite a lot, and that's fine. Makes it easier to cut. Then you can put your indentation marks on and then cut your dough up accordingly. You should get 12 generously sized biscuits. The biscuits should be around about 1 centimetre each in thickness, give or take. A few millimetres won't really matter. As you can tell, I had to count how many there was. You can then go ahead and grab yourself a lined baking tray and you'll be able to get all 12 of your biscuits on here, as they don't spread while they're baking. So place them in a 3x4 formation is how I do it for all of my shortbread or biscuits that don't spread while baking. So here are what they look like just before they go into the oven. All the baking times, temperatures and everything you need to know will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below. So here are what the cranberry and orange shortbreads look like once they have been fully baked and allowed to cool. They look quite festive with the specks of the orange and the red from the cranberries coming through. They're just perfect for this time of year, so I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again tomorrow with another video, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the descriptions. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social medias, so don't forget to go and follow me over on them. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.